In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Instagram account on your phone after deactivation. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon and click on the drop down in username and select add Instagram account and select login into exiting account. Now you need to type the username and password that you want to reactivate the account. After typing the login information, select the login option, select continue, select save. And now as you can see, we have successfully reactivated the account. That's simple guys, just by logging in you can easily reactivate your Instagram account anytime. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.